guys, good morning. I hope you guys are doing good. So today's video is all about this face, this makeup, and I feel after so long time I'm doing this makeup tutorial. I missed doing a makeup tutorial just because I didn't have the proper light, and also you guys have requested me so many times to do a makeup tutorial, and that's my forte. I love doing makeup tutorials for you guys. So this is the simple very basic makeup which I tried doing using only one or two palette. So to get this look, please keep on watching.
Let's start to paint the face. Before starting, I would like to tie my hair, and I'm using this cute bunny hairband. I loved it. So yeah, tying up the hair is very important because you don't even want to get disturbed while doing your makeup. And lol, that's how I am off camera and on camera. I don't want to change for anybody else. So let's start. So if you're wondering what I'm doing with my phone, I'm searching a good song and I got it. I got this Husn hai Suhana, Ishq hai Bahana. Yeah. So I'm gonna play this song and start over my makeup because I need a good music. I'm starting off with this primer. This is by the Face Shop and my camera is a fool not focusing. So yes, I'm starting off with this primer, and this has a very shimmery kind of particle, so best for the day makeup. So I'm starting off with the base. I'm using this Trillion for the very first time in front of you guys. It's a very amazing base, and this is the shade FS29. और ये base most of these parlors में use होता है for bridals. And see the difference in just one dab. It is very amazing, guys. It is a concealer mix in this base. Then for a better base, I'm using this MAC Cosmetics foundation in the shade 2.1. It is more on a yellow tone, and this reminds me of doing a battle of foundation. मैं हमेशा भूल जाती हूँ करना, but yes, I have to do it, and I'll do it for you guys. Shake it, baby. Leave your base for 5 seconds. Yes, and you're done. Just fan your face and see how beautiful the base looks. Then it's a concealer time. I'm using my favorite LA Pro Girl and mixing it with the Maybelline's Age Rewind. It feels good. Even if I'm doing a voiceover, it feels so good watching makeup videos, like on my own makeup videos. What is wrong? Yes, come out, you LA girl. And that's how you have to draw your concealer. My throat, damn. Oh, yes, pretty good. You. I just try to make you guys laugh. Hiding my bad lovers. I hate you, dude. Then after the concealer, I am using the setting powder. This is by Color Bar, and I won't say that this is one of my favorite. This is not. It's a very dry, setting powder. But I thought of use this because I'm having a very oily and acne-prone skin right now. This is how I am using the setting powder. You can use any good setting powder you want, or if you want me to suggest you, comment down below, guys. Then for the eye, I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. Fortune favors the brave, and this is a very beautiful palette. One should definitely own this palette. So I'm using a very neutral color to just neutralize my eye base, or just to make an eye base. Then I'm using my favorite palette. This is the Makeup Revolution deep dark brown color. Hold the brush just like this, and you have to make a C, exactly like how I'm showing you. You have to make a C, and do it when your eyes are open, so that you can get a clear cut and a clear C. Okay. Next, I'm taking this darker shade. It's a very subtle shade, and I'm just very slightly placing the pigments on my eyes. Make sure you just need to just touch the brush and you get the perfect color if your product is good. Then start blending and mix the brown shade into this dark shade. I'm taking a very small brush. This is Pro Art 02, and with this brush what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a very light shade, like one tone lighter than brown, और इससे मैं ये the shade I'm using, इससे मैं ये shade इसलिए यूज़ कर रही हूँ ताकि जो ये दो कलर्स मैंने मिक्स किए हैं ये इसको मैं न्यूट्रल कर सकूँ, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट एनी हार्श लाइन जो कि विजिबल हो. सी गाइस, कैमरे पे आपको दूर से बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि वो आई शेडो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हुआ है, बट अंदर से मेकअप आर्टिस्ट नो कि कितना अच्छा ब्लेंड हुआ है कितना अच्छा नहीं. सो टू न्यूट्रलाइज बोथ द कलर्स आई हैव टू यूज दिस बेस कलर अगेन. And I'm taking this beautiful golden champagne color and placing this over my eyeballs. And if you have, in case you have any doubt कि मेरा center of eye क्या है, close your eyes, just feel your eyeball. So that's the center, that's the exact place where we cut the crease or where we put glitters. I'm being very specific guys ताकि आपको पूरी knowledge मिल सके. कभी भी glitter use करना है, कुछ भी glitter chunks आपके जो भी होते हैं particles, spray a setting spray on your brush. बहुत easily, बहुत अच्छे से apply हो सकता है. So after we are done with the glitter thing, we have to really make sure कि जो हमारा बाहर वाला कलर है वो ग्लिटर से बिल्कुल मर्ज हो जाए, कोई भी फाइन लाइन्स या कोई भी हार्श लाइन्स ना रहे. I have gold in this video. Guys, I'm again saying makeup is all about blending and blending. The more you blend, the more you get. So I'm just, you can see how beautiful the color comes out. And I've ये सारा कमाल ना blending का है, trust me. बहुत ध्यान से, बहुत ब्यूटीफुली आपको अपना आई बेस या कुछ भी बेस प्लेस करना होता है. सी दिस गाइस, ये पूरा प्रॉपर ब्लेंड है और इसमें आपको ग्लिटर वाला हार्श लाइन दिख रही है. सो इसको मुझे अभी ब्लेंड करना बाकी है. आई विल ब्लेंड दिस ताकि इसमें कुछ भी हार्श लाइन ना हो, पूरा प्रॉपर मर्ज हो. कंटूरिंग टाइम. ज़ूप, डू इट लाइक दिस एंड डू अ कंटूरिंग लाइक अ प्रो. So guys, I'm telling you a trick that no one's tell you. अगर आपको अपने contour को और sharpen करना है, I'm using this banana powder and this is how I'm gonna sharpen my contour lines. Just see it. I'm very precisely placing the banana powder under and over the contour line. Please guys, this is a very important and very basic and essential step, and leave it for 5 minutes guys, please. So I'm doing eyebrows off camera guys, and I'm using my PAC Cosmetics eyebrow definer for this. So it's time to dust off the banana powder, and you can see how sharp my face look now. It is a beautiful trick, guys. Try it out and let me know in the comment section if you find this video effective. If you like my efforts, subscribe kar do yaar. It's the blush time. Yay! So many blushes. Which color to choose? I'm really confused. Which color will look perfect with the summer and with this look? Ooh, it's a glow time. I'm using this ABH palette. That's one of my favorite highlighters. And oh yes, I forgot to show you this. These highlighters in my top favorite highlighters. I'm really sorry, I forgot. And I'm using this Makeup Studio fan brush. Fan brush are the best to apply highlighter. Which highlighter should I apply now? Again, a confusion. I think this will look good. What do you have to say, guys? That's the final look. Finally done with this basic simple, I hope it's simple for you guys, so basic simple look. And the lip shade I am applying is which shade is it? 03 Come Naturally, and the company's Essence. This is how the packaging look like, and that's the shade. So it's a very different shade, and in fact I have also applied for the first time. It's not completely matte. Yeah. So I'm gonna click some good pictures with this makeup for the thumbnail thing, and I really hope that you like this makeup. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. A lot more videos coming up this week or this month, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit that small bell button so that you don't miss any update. So I'll see you super soon.